learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time for Talk About Hakka here on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我係邊個 Leo。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. All right, aside from bringing you to different places like Longtan this whole month, we also give you a chance to learn a proverb in Hakka. 除了帶大家玩之外我們還是要靜下心來去了解一些客家的諺語。
抽㗎。
而且呢，通常都會跟現在月份有關，對不對？
啊，對，現在是6月。好，我想到了。那我们今天就来教大家这一句6月雜貨蟲。
6月雜貨蟲，
小時老阿公。
小時老阿公啊，有阿公啊 ，Grandpa is in this, I think. 然後前面6月當然聽得出來嘛，6月，對不對？就是6月。
就形容說6月的時候，你還來烤火爐啊？你的用火爐啊
？6月是夏天呢。
對，用那個火爐，是不是連那個老阿公都會來笑你了？
那就表示好像有一點是不對時，然後對不對？然後就是不知道怎麼去通變的一個人，這樣子。
對，就是在不對的時間做這個事情，那是很不適當的。
不適當嘛，對不對？對，紅球戲。
嘿，真的，那個老阿公都笑死。
All right, it's almost like a limerick, but anyways, the proverb is about in the month of June, if you're using this, 你剛剛講說的一個火爐嗎？
對，貨蟲就是一個像火爐一樣的東西，是冬天我們可以拿來保暖用。
但它不是那種真的在燒煙囪的那種火爐啦，
不是，
就是那種比較可以帶在身邊。
對，就像懷爐那種，但是比較大一點。
叫做什麼？
貨蟲。
Okay, that's actually a sort of like a basket heater, and you use it during wintertime when it's cold. But in the month of June, if you're using this basket heater, even your grandpa is gonna laugh at you. You're like, what the hell are you doing? All right, let's listen to the full explanation in English.
Use a bamboo basket heater in June, and even Grandpa will die from laughter. As the weather gets hotter in June, we tend to use electric fans and air conditioners to keep cool. But if someone still uses a bamboo basket heater and says they're cold, even their grandfather will mock them. The bamboo basket heater is something past generations used during the winter months, and many Hakka people use this proverb to describe people who are stuck in their old ways or lack the ability to be more flexible or adapt.
And Leo, repeat the proverb. 再講一次。
6月雜貨蟲，小時老阿公。
All right, that does for today's Talk About Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺是誰張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.